Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to transfer crypto from any exchange to any cold wallet. The process is almost the same no matter which exchange or wallet you use. First, remember that a cold wallet stores your private keys offline, while your crypto always stays on the blockchain. To receive crypto, you'll need your wallet's public receiving address. Every transfer also includes a small network fee, which depends on the blockchain, not the amount you're sending. To send crypto from an exchange to a cold wallet, sign into your exchange, select the coin you want to transfer, click send, and paste your cold wallet's receiving address. Enter the amount, review the details, complete any 2FA verification, and confirm the transaction. To send crypto back to an exchange, copy the exchange's receiving address, open your wallet app, select send, paste the address, enter the amount, review the transaction, and confirm it on your hardware wallet. Some cryptocurrencies may also require a memo or destination tag. After a few moments, depending on the blockchain, your crypto will appear in the destination wallet or exchange.